Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we're gonna be rubber-dub-dubbing in the bathtub. We're gonna be building this bathtub and I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 6x8 standard base plate. I've got this one in this blue, and we're going to start off by making the bathtub. So we need these plain underside pieces, these kind of chassis pieces. We need 3 of them, because this bathtub is going to be 6 long in the base, like so. And inside we're just going to add a bit of tiling. So I've got these 2x3 tiles, 2 of them, but you can use any formation of tiles if you like, and just put them at the base. And well, this is a place to put the water in. Now for the sides, we're going to be using these 2 of these 1x4 standard bricks like this, and some roof tile pieces as well. These small roof tile pieces, just like this at the sides. And now we're going to make the sides of the bathtub. So this is a mixture of white and red, so I'm going to be using these red base plates to add a stripe of colour in our bathtub, and on top just some tiles, because this is a kind of smooth bathtub. I suppose your bathtub is smooth at home as well if you have one. Just some tiling over here in any formation you like, and there's our bathtub nearly ready. All we need now is a 1x2 tile on this side in red to go with the colour scheme, and a 1x2 jumper plate. And on this jumper plate we're going to be using this handle piece, this small handle piece, as a tap, just like this. 1 tap, a mixer tap. Okay, and there's not much left for us to do now. I'm going to bring in this 2x4 tile. It's going to be a bath mat over here to dry our feet once we get out of the bath. And for the water, we are going to be using round studs. So I've got 8 light blue translucent studs and 8 white translucent studs, and I use this technique in the city fountain. Go check that out if you haven't seen it already. And we're going to pick all of these up, and we're going to fill the bathtub with this nice bubbly water. Come back. Running everywhere, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our bathtub is complete, and I've got a man in here and he's enjoying himself in the bathtub, getting a good thorough clean out. And you can embed this into a bathroom, of course, and you could also try adding a shower head above, so it can become a bath shower. Also, you can use this water technique for anything you want with water: fountains, bathtubs. What else is there that requires water? Swimming pools, the ocean. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Rub-a-dub-dub, and washing in the bathtub. I'm gonna jump out, shake off the water, and get my clothes.